Coach Maru. 3 points! Handa na po kayo, kapatid. Mag-upisa tayo ng umaga. Okay, 2 points by 0-6. Okay, 5 minutes and 10 seconds. First quarter, kapatid. Coach Bob. Coach Bob!
Tatay. Hoy! Hoy!
Coach Bob. Coach Bob for 3. No good. Rebound by Coach Bob. Nagmamadali. Coach Bob. Coach Bob. Pangal. 2 points by Bob. Ang ating score, 25-29. Coach Bob sa ilalim. Jersey number 18. No good. Pass to 0-6. 0-6 to Coach Bob. Easy 2 points by Coach Bob. Coach Bob! Aba! Iba ngayon ang laro. Coach Bob, nagmamadali. Coach Bob pa rin. On the low. Oh, 2 points by Coach.
Tatay. Hoy! Hoy!